Alright, let's see, the Helite GP Air vest. Now I think this is definitely one of the main factors that definitely saved my life and prevented major injury. This is an analog based system, and what happens is there's a CO2. If you can see, there's a CO2 chamber here, and there actually would be a ball bearing, like a safety thing, and it comes out here, and you strap it to the front of your to the frame of your motorcycle. When you're expelled from the motorcycle at a certain force, the airbag, there's a neck roll that inflates, and the full back turtle shell inflates like this, and the full total front inflates as well. Now, it did not save me from a collarbone injury, and the reason why I chose this was because my feeling is that well, I already had a custom suit. I didn't get an Alpine Stars D-Air. In terms of durability, there's dirt in the leather. There's grass and things like that, but there are 0 tears on the exterior anywhere of this suit, of this vest. So it's just going to take some water and some washcloth, and this vest will be ready to go back on. CO2 canisters cost about $20 to $25 each, depending. Justin Levy from Trackside Parts Club, he sells this canister. I have 2 extra ones, and we'll pretty much be able to reload. And if I had 2 deployments in one weekend, so it was nice to be able to just reload real quick and then get back out there. So GP Air vest, worth every penny. Also, it does not deploy if you forget to unhook it and get off your bike. It does require a lot more force, so don't worry about having the vest go off because you forget to take off your suit. So Helite GP Air vest, worth every penny. I think Hit Air is like $475, and this would take you closer to $700 to $800. The Alpine Stars vest is $1,100 with 2 deployments, and then it has to be sent back to the factory. So it's definitely it's a digital suit. It's got some more technology in there, and that one is stuffed inside your leathers. So I think probably a lot more collarbone protection, but bang for the buck. GP Air, Helite, definitely.